July here at Ward Village.
Yes.
Specifically Ward Warehouse.
Mm-hmm.
Have a different venue.
Little bit different. They get skating rink down that side.
Skating yet?
I haven't. But I'm horrible on skates. I'm horrible in just in shoes too, just walking alone. But I tell you, that's another story. Kona Nui Nights. Are you folks all excited? I was thinking, if they're sitting down, relaxing, that means all the Christmas shopping is all done already, all done.
Okay, maybe they're doing like me. I know Christmas shop.
Really?
I know Christmas shop.
What? You know, I'm going to try that this year. I'm going to try that this year. Well, we are in for a wonderful evening of music and dance tonight, so we welcome you. You have family and friends that aren't here with us and they got some time to take out of their busy holiday schedule. Tell them come on down and enjoy a wonderful evening of music and dance, Kona Nui Nights. Kuwait, if you can you tell us a little bit more about Kona Nui Nights and how this whole event came to be?
Yes, for all those of you who may be joining us for the first time this evening, we are here in what everyone I'm sure knows as Honolulu. However, Honolulu has two other names. So one of those names, in our poetry, in our chants, and our dances, we find the name Kou. And Kou is also the name of the flower. It's a beautiful, hardy, orange colored flower. And you may see it in and around here in Ward Village. But the other name that Honolulu is known for is Kona. Now some of you may have thought that Kona was only on Hawaii Island, also known as the Big Island. But in actuality, there are a couple more Konas. Kona means south. And here on Oahu, this is the southern district. Moku o Kona. Can everyone say Kona? Aye, a little like Kona. And so Kona Nui, although we may not be the biggest of the Kona area, we certainly are the capital city of our islands, and thus great or big Kona, Kona Nui Nights. And so we welcome you all here to Kona Nui Nights. This started as an effort sponsored by the Ward Village for our Haku Aina. Our Youth Corporation Ward Village endeavors to bring to you, ladies and gentlemen, access ways into culture, to dance, to singing, and to all of the things that make a new community a really warm and light-like place to be. Part of that is by making sure that our Hawaiian culture is not only around, but that it's alive, that it's well, and that we can connect with it. So, we have this evening for you some spectacular entertainment. We have some of the finest of Hawaii here for you this evening. Can you tell us a little bit more?
I tell you, in fact, they are ready to go. So if you folks are ready you guys ready for some great music? Kona Nui Nights. We opened two groups from our neighboring island. Of course, from Hawaii, we have Kupawa, and of course, over there on our side, Mark Yamanaka. They visited us for the neighboring island, but we welcome them with open arms. They just put together a brand new Christmas release. We're going to be featuring some music from that a little bit later on tonight, but just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Kona Nui Nights. Are you folks ready? All right, we're going to let them loose right here. A husband and wife team. We call them the most photogenic couple in Hawaiian music. Look at that. They're so beautiful, I tell you. Woo! Over here is Lee Ho and Kelly. They run ball for Kupawa. And over